Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add personal information to your PunchLab account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should click on the profile icon down below, which is the last option. After that, tap on Edit Profile in the upper left corner. And here, as you can see, the first section is the personal information section. So if you tap on the your name at the top of the screen, you are going to see that you have a chance to change your photo and select your profile picture. You have two options here. You can either select a picture from your library or take a new photo with your phone. But first you need to allow the application to access your camera. By going back to the previous page, you can change or add your name, your gender, your weight, and your stance as well. So if you are done with adding all these information, you don't have to hit any save button. You just click on this button in the upper left corner of the screen, and all of the information that you have just added will be saved automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.